actually from Carl Denesa's
Wow.
playlist of songs. Bright Midnight, the first song you heard was from Lintech. That's Lintech, Lintech. And yung ating pang-apat na kanta, City Shuts Down, live by
Scotchong Halimaw.
Bizcochong Halimaw. And these songs are available, they're actually not available. No? Some of them are live
Bootlegs,
recordings. No?
yeah.
Oo. So kung gusto nyong makakuha ng, if you like what you hear, pwede nyong message si Carl. You can also, if you also want to ask him questions about his books, pwede nyo kanilang i-message through your blog.
Yeah, I have fan page, Carl Ardemesa,
Wow,
author.
fan page!
On Facebook.
Wow!
You can leave your messages there.
Uh,
Propositions and what have you, suggestions for movies.
Oo.
Movie.
At pinapaalala namin mga babaeng aged between 18 to 24. Dito
Yeah.
nyo pwedeng kausapin si Carl.
Yes.
For
Specific
your
vital stats
professional
only.
needs.
Yeah.
Hiling lang po namin magpadala kayo ng JPEG ng whole body, isang naka-evening gown, isang naka-swimsuit.
Bus shot.
Oo. And pero going back, ang dami namin na-cover the ground.
Yes.
Speaking with Carl Demesa, of course. You termed it a while ago as horror author.
Mm-hmm.
Horror author.
Horror author.
Horror author.
And journalist.
And currently, Carl, you work for
I'm a consulting editor for GMA News Online.
GMA News. Pero in the spare time, ay magsulat si Carl. What do you think your next book is gonna be about? May plans na ba for the next book, or nagsusulat ka na ba ng bagong material? Will we ever see writings from Carl Demesa na concentrated only sa supernatural?
Oh, yes.
What are
Definitely.
the plans?
I'm working on a original comic series actually. It's called Fist of the Magdalene, about demons. Actually, it's about an exorcist who's a girl, who is an unusual kind of, very specific, unusual kind of power. She can exorcise demons.
Wow, X-Men.
Yes.
Exorcise.
Mm.
Parang
Exorcist.
Constantine.
Parang Constantine pero hindi siya magician. Tsaka hindi siya blonde.
Okay.
So that's one. The next book is actually going to be non-fictional. It's also a collection of non-fiction and reportage, pero mas reportage siya this time. It concentrates on my time as a journalist in covering music and celebrities and other people of interest.
Okay. And yung comics, they have like a tentative release for that. Ideally, when you think you'd release it?
Siguro by next year. Although I do have another.
So the book will come first. The next book will come
Yeah,
first.
the next book will come first, definitely. We're still trying to complete an actual collection of, because comics is like 12, 24 pages first issue. Siguro we'll go for 50 pages and then we'll sell it. Para hindi naman cap out yung reader na bitin, ganyan.
Okay.
So there's more demons, sex, drugs, and rock and roll in there. I have another book that I edited naman. It's an anthology of other people's writing. It's about demons again. It'll be out by July, probably. So watch out for that.
Nice.
Yes.
DC. And we'd like to thank Carl Demesa for
Thank you.
tonight.
Thank you for supporting Philippine literature.
The book is Francis, pwede ba natin pakita yung screenshot nung cover ng book? The book is called Report from the Abyss. It's available now at all the leading bookstores. Magkano yung book?
200 lang po.
200 pesos lang, mas mura pa sa entrance minsan sa Sagiho.
Yeah. Ay, grabe.
At least
Inflation.
dito, matututo ka.
Oo.
For all you dumb people out there, magbasa naman kayo. Walang pictures.
No
Ilinawin namin
pictures,
para
yeah.
walang magreklamo. Walang pictures ng libro na to.
Tsaka hindi judge mo ng writing.
Yes, walang smiley kapag may magandang nangyayari.
Hello.
Hello po.
Wala po. Hello pose.
And pero support na, the Report from the Abyss, it's available for 200 pesos lang ngayon. And kung meron kayong extra money and extra time, supportan nyo rin yung dalawang naunang libro ni Carl,
Yes,
yung
please.
News of the Shaman and
Damaged
the book
People.
before that, Damaged People. Really good reads. I've read them myself.
Yes.
Papasahan ko si Edsel ng
I
Edsel
didn't
Bell
pay
ng
Joey
Cobra.
anything at all.
Yes, so napakagandang libro. And if people want to catch your band, the Gonzo Army, they're currently on hiatus, pero may musical plans ka ba? Or
Yeah, please just check out our Facebook page. For those of you who actually like this kind of music, heavy music that doesn't change, it's facebook.com/Gonzo Army.
Gonzo Army. And pinapaalala namin sa inyong lahat na ang the BJ Show is on every Tuesdays 10-ish to 11-ish.
Yes.
Maraming salamat sa mga nagiging sponsors ng The BJ Show. Ang
Yes,
Music
like
Source.
The Music Source, the youngest yet most liked music store in the Philippines with 85,000 stores nationwide.
Nadagdagan ng 1,000
Oh.
Oo. So marami pa sa Starbucks. And after, of course, maraming salamat sa The Music Source. Salamat din sa kalaban nila ang Lyric para sa aking ESP guitars and LTD guitars and Elixir strings. Bili na po kayo.
Yeah.
Maraming salamat sa Pulp Magazine. Thank you for always including the BJ Show. May ad pala tayo dati sa
Wow,
Pulp
yes, I
Magazine.
remember that.
Thank you very much sa Pulp Magazine. Supportan natin ang Pulp SummerSlam. Ang Aerosmith and Slash live in Manila. That's happening on May 4th. Yung sa Slash and May 8th sa Aerosmith. The tickets are available now for all those shows. And sa Pulp SummerSlam, we have 7 international bands. They're going to be playing all throughout the day. 400 pesos lang po. You still get your usual freebies. You get beer, you get soft drinks, you get pizza. Hindi natin ma-mention dahil hindi tayo sila sponsor ng mga yan.
Pizza!
Pizza blank. And maraming salamat din sa Draven para sa aking footwear and apparel, and sa Tribal para
Tribal!
sa aking
Tribal's the... Not Tribal!
Maraming salamat sa Good Morning Towels para sa tuwalya ni
Yeah.
Edwin sa likod. Pansinin niyo yung kanya yung latest model, yung may blue.
Blue.
Dati
Blue.
white lang eh.
Wow.
And huwag niyong kalimutan, the annual Kaguluhan Festival, the final chapter is happening this year. November yan, late November. We still don't have a date, pero it's happening, and there's going to be performances by bands like
At times provoke.
At Times Provoke. Napakagaling na banda niyan. Oo.
Arcadia Bad Burn.
Arcadia Bad Burn, and of
What
course
My
yung Walang
Blood.
Kamatayang
Sales.
Others. And Kaguluhan Music Festival is an annual celebration. Gagawin in the past few years sa Cavite gagawin, pero now we're gonna do it in Manila. It's the final chapter. Murang-mura lang ang entrance. 100 pesos?
Yeah, 100.
100 pesos lang po. So sana supportahan niyo po yung mga events na nangyayari. Support local bands, especially original music,
Yo.
independent music. And maraming salamat ulit sa ating guest, si Carl de Mesa.
Salamat. Very quickly, I'd like to say, I'm just commiserating with the people in Boston. And maybe the best way to avoid acts of terrorism is just to educate yourself and read books.
Yes,
Ah.
spread love.
Yes. May kadyot.
Not bombs.
Actually, napakalungkot na nangyari sa Boston kaninang umaga
Yup.
lang. And of course, as much as we make fun of a lot of things dito sa The BJ Show, it's a very serious matter, and sana mamatay na rin yung gumawa nun.
Oo.
Sana
Patayin niyo na lahat.
habang pinaplant nila yung bomba, sana sumabog.
Oo, yeah.
Mamatay na kayong lahat. So, anyway.
Thank you.
Sana mauna kayo kaysa sa amin. Tignan kami naging ghost.
No.
Pupuntahin namin kayo. And maraming salamat kay Carl de Mesa. And of course,
Salamat.
please do not forget you can like his Facebook page.
Author page.
Oo, facebook.com/Carl de Mesa. Author.
Yes.
Okay. Author, sayang nun.
Author.
And we're gonna leave you with one more song habang nagpapaalam tayo. Ikaw, Edson, meron ka ba gustong pasalamatan or
Maraming salamat.
ligawan?
Maraming salamat sa Good Morning Towel ko dito.
Good morning, towel.
Tapos
Okay.
yun, ano pa ba dapat nating pasalamatan?
Ay, yung crush mo, ayaw mong batiin.
Oh, si Karen batiin mo.
Oo.
Ayun,
Na nasa cover ng libro.
Oo.
Ayun,
Oh.
si Karen, yan.
Topless ba talaga si Karen nung
Nung shoot namin din.
Oo.
Hindi pwede mong gamitin.
Pero
tuloy-
ginawa namin topless.
Yun.
Hindi tuloy bibili si Edson.
Wala na.
Yan mo na.
Bawal kasi sa obscene daw.
Obscene.
Yun lang.
Okay.
And
Not
habang,
parental guidance.
habang hinahanap ko yung
Dapat
ayun ng
kailangan.
music.
Patugtog tayo ng yung sa
Sana
comment.
Mac na lang mag-sponsor.
Oo nga, no? The Omen, yung Busy Moose.
Ave Satani.
Ave Satani.
Oo.
Jerry
Omen
Goldsmith.
soundtrack.
Ang aming favorite song. Para siyang pinaghalong
Chan.
Spice Girls.
Mismo.
Tsaka
Placebo.
the Pin-Up Girls.
Pin-up girls.
We're gonna listen to a song from Tide Edit na lang. Ito ang tinatawag nilang Calls From You. Ayan. Maraming salamat sa mga nakinig ng BJ Show. We're gonna see you next week. Maraming salamat.
Yay.
Bye-bye!